First, you'll need to have a 13 plus Roblox account. You must then go into your account settings to verify your age. To do this, click the gear icon in the top right corner of the page. For this step, you will need a valid ID and a smartphone. Roblox accepts driver licenses, passports, ID cards, and residence permits as valid identification. This process usually takes a few minutes. If your verification completes successfully, a checkmark will show up along with age verified on your settings menu. After you successfully verify your identity, navigate over to the Privacy tab in your account settings. Here, you will find a toggle box that will enable voice chat in games. Click the toggle box to make it green and you'll be ready to use this feature. To make use of voice chat, click play on any game that supports voice chat. When you join a game, your microphone will be muted automatically. To start chatting, simply click on the microphone icon above your head. If you would like to mute anyone in the game, go over to the escape menu and click the microphone icon next to their name. You can also opt to mute everyone in the server by clicking mute all.